If you're thinking about selling your home, it's important to know which upgrades are worth your time and money. Hi, I'm Darius, a realtor in Southern California, and I'm excited to share some common home improvements and whether they truly add value to your property. Let's get started. Many sellers believe that major renovations, like a kitchen overhaul, will boost their home's value. However, these projects can be costly and time-consuming, often not yielding the return on investment that sellers hope for. Focus on cosmetic repairs such as painting the front door or planting shrubs out front are often worthwhile. They enhance curb appeal without breaking the bank. However, expensive cosmetic changes might not be necessary, as buyers often have their own preferences. Minor electrical fixes and small cracks in driveways are usually not deal breakers for buyers. These issues are common and often overlooked, so focus your dollars on more impactful improvements instead, like a shiny new faucet. Try to avoid trendy makeovers that might not appeal to everyone. For example, bold designs can deter potential buyers who prefer a more timeless look. It's best to keep upgrades neutral and classic to attract a wider audience. Partial upgrades can raise red flags for potential buyers. They might wonder why the project wasn't completed, leading to concerns about hidden issues. So be sure any renovations are fully finished before listing your home for sale. Replacing major systems like HVAC or roofs can be costly and might not increase your sale price significantly. Buyers expect to handle some maintenance, so weigh the costs against potential benefits carefully. Please remember, not all upgrades are created equal. Consult with a realtor first to make informed decisions that align with your selling goals. Be sure to reach out before you are considering selling your home to maximize your home's market potential. Well, that's it in a nutshell. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to make it a wonderful day.